To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use WhatsApp on multiple devices. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your WhatsApp on multiple devices, the process is very much simple. You can simply use WhatsApp on multiple devices like phones, tablets, and your computers by linking them to your primary account through the link device settings. So you can simply find the settings, like you can simply open any of the WhatsApp in any of devices, and you need to essentially turn them up into your companion devices that syncs your messages and calls. So the process involves opening WhatsApp on new device, selecting the link a device option or link as a companion device option, getting a QR code, then using your primary account to scan your QR code. So once you have scanned it, you can link your devices, keeping your main phone active to maintain the connection. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching. We will be back again really soon.